Voice search on YouTube TV makes finding shows, movies, and live channels faster and easier. Instead of typing, you can simply speak into your remote or mobile device. Here's how to use it on any platform. If you're using a smart TV or streaming device with a voice-enabled remote, like Chromecast with Google TV, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Roku, just press and hold the microphone button on your remote. When the voice prompt appears, say what you want, such as ESPN, play the voice, show me action movies, record this show. YouTube TV will instantly search and show results based on your voice command. On mobile devices, open the YouTube TV app, tap the search icon, then tap the microphone symbol. Speak your request and the app will bring up matching shows, episodes, or channels. If you're using Google Assistant devices like Google Home or Nest speakers, you can also control YouTube TV hands-free. Make sure your TV or Chromecast is linked in the Google Home app. Then say, "Hey Google, play NBC on YouTube TV." "Hey Google, open my library on YouTube TV." If voice search doesn't work, update your app or enable microphone permissions. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.